Hi, Brennan from Metra Electronics here with a new solution for a 2002 Cadillac Escalade, the 95-3004. Now this kit is designed for a doubled-in install and is textured and painted to match your factory dash. To finalize this install, your wiring harness will be the 70-1858, and for amplified vehicles will be the 70-1859. Your antenna adapter will be the 40-GM10. For any more information on this product or other brands, you can visit us at metraonline.com, find us on Facebook, and follow us on Instagram. Thank you for choosing Metra Electronics. We are 12 Volt.